I've been really excited about drones lately because I've actually finally learned how to fly them. It took me a really long time to figure out how to pilot these correctly. When learning how to pilot quadcopters, you would think that you would want to learn on good equipment. Good equipment flies correctly. There's less adjustments that have to be made. The controllers are more precise and easier to use. But if you're like me, you crashed a lot. And having good equipment meant throwing money out the window. In this shot, I'm trolling these crazy pheasants that live outside my house. So now that I've gained some skills, my awesome mother-in-law got me this for Christmas. Star Wars fans, get ready. You see, Star Wars to me means action and adventure. There's drama, there's love, there's romance. It's about relationships with your friends, relationships with your family. It's about generations. The Force is kind of like a religion. Star Wars also happens to be about movie making and effects making and ingenuity. That's what I think of when I think of Star Wars. When you get your hands on one of these Propel Star Wars drones, you can tell these guys are really into Star Wars. Everything about it, the whole design, the construction of it, it's really solid and sturdy. It's by far the best drone I own. So let's go hunt down some womp rats with our T-65 X-wing. Okay, squad, this is Gold 2. Or while you're putting the battery in.
Feel the force.
That's just one battery in. So, I've even got...
The rebellion needs you. Insert 4 AA batteries into the battery compartment.
That's incredible. Oh, look! May the Force be with you. Guys, this thing's off. There were no batteries in there. It kept that power just to do that.
The rebellion needs you. Insert 4 AA batteries into the battery compartment.
You're not screwing this Phillips head into plastic. It's actually going into a brass insert. I know this is just a Phillips head screwdriver, but look at how styled it is. The end looks like a lightsaber, no doubt about it. And it brilliantly fits into the right-hand side of the controller. This is by far the nicest drone I own, and the level of detail and the Star Wars fandom that went into this is really apparent. Propel went nuts with these. It's like you gave the licensing to a bunch of Star Wars fans and told them, here, make your own Star Wars drone. These guys really went above and beyond. Once paired, you get to use your flight controller with the application. For flight training, weapons practices, remember these are battle drones. If you do have 2 of these, you can go to war with each other. It fires small lasers at each other to play a laser tag in the air, basically. With this ability, and the ability to fly the drone itself indoors and outdoors,